Welcome to the KlickVidz training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to record a standard video in KlickVidz. Go to the left menu and click on Videos. Now choose your message type. Now record your video message.
First, we are going to cover why having a solid strategy is.
Once you are done recording, click on Stop.
Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss the top 10 digital marketing trends for 2000.
Now click on Save and Continue. Now enter your video title and description. Use AI Content Writer to write AI content for your video. Click on Next, and here you can customize your video player. Customize your player according to your choice. Once you're done, click on Submit and your video message is ready. You can copy your video message URL. You can open your video message URL. You can play your video.
Trends for 2024. So first we are going to cover what strategy is to.
You can share your video message on your desired social media platforms. You can see your video message in the My Video Messages section. You can share and embed your video message on any platform. You can edit your videos. Thanks for watching the video.